Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix display black and white in Realme 15 Pro. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, click on display and brightness, and here you can see your dark mode. If you turn on your dark mode, then turn it off. After turn off your dark mode, then go back and scroll down and click on system and update, and then click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone and then click on reset all settings. Now click on reset. After reset all the settings, then go back and click on erase all data and then click on clear. Erase all data basically means factory data reset. It will remove all the data in your device like photos, videos, documents, everything will be removed in your device. After do factory data reset, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.